Follow me.
Alright, so here's Bailey and I, and we're heading down to by St. Louis to Cahokia RV Park, and so we're gonna have sort of a little guys camp out weekend down there. So yeah, that's it. Here we go. We'll get some film of driving down the road, and maybe throw the GoPro on the camper when we get close, so you can see us coming across the river and catching the arch. So, here we go.
Oh, it's on? Good morning, everybody. Day one of St. Louis trip.
Stay tuned.
The first day we were here in the evening.
It's still a day we're here. We're still here. We were here like 5:45.
It's 8 o'clock and we haven't showered yet. And we're probably gotta go get something to eat.
What's going on outside?
Very rainy.
What did we do all last night?
Drink beer.
No, I'd say what we did all last night.
Oh. I thought you...
Okay, what did we do last night?
Drink beer and eat pizza at this cafe pizza place.
Okay. And then we went and checked out another brewery.
Yes, Four Hands.
Four Hands.
Do not get the Warhammer, it's bad.
Well, that's your opinion. You don't like IPAs. I don't like IPAs. Your mom don't like IPAs. You have our taste buds.
Do you want to say something to the...
So yeah, like Bailey said, we're here. We got here about 5:45 last night. We're at Cahokia RV Park. It's right on the Mississippi River. Directly across the river is the Anheuser-Busch Brewery. We came to town to visit a buddy of ours who moved here, changed jobs and moved here from back home. And so, you know, we thought we'd come spend the weekend with him. Just visiting with him and hanging out. St. Louis is one of our favorite places. We used to be season pass holders to Six Flags. We love going to Cardinal games. Just love running around the town, riding on the scooters. Bird scooters are a lot of fun now. That's a fun way to get around town.
Dave and Buster's.
Bailey loves Dave and Buster's. So yeah, we love this area.
Oh, it turned off.
No, it's fine, Bailey. Just the screen went off. Yeah, so we love this area. This RV park is pretty well packed. I'm gonna kind of show you here. So as you can see, pretty well packed in here. There's a storage unit area behind us. We did kind of get lucky. I tried to pick one of these spots that we're in because it doesn't back up to another camper. So all of their pull-through sites are actually double sites. So it's only pull-through if you're the first one there. And so they put campers back to back. They really pack it in here. I know this park has gotten some bad reviews online over the years, but everyone here was really nice. The staff was great. I gotta say, it's gotten some bad reviews. I've gotten some feedback that it's not in a good neighborhood. It's not really in a neighborhood, so it's in an industrial area. So you know, there's petroleum plants, gas plants. You can smell natural gas when you get out on the road. There's a big Phillips 66 like transfer station or filling station for tankers down the road. So it's just really industrial. I don't think it's a bad area. I just don't think, you know, you're not out in the wilderness. You're not out in nature. You know, you're not in some small town with a main street full of shops and restaurants. A lot of the vehicles here and the campers here seem to be people that are working and probably trying to avoid staying in hotels because of coronavirus. So they are packed in here. We are on all gravel, as you saw when I looked out there. We do have a nice little patio pad. Camper leveled up great as I backed it in. We got a little picnic table. But it's really full. It's packed. You get highway noise and things like that, but you know, they pack it in because they know people aren't worried about hanging out at the campground very much, right? These people are either here to work, or people are here like us to take advantage of being 5 minutes from the arch and from downtown and from everything. So I'd say if you're looking to come, you know, if you're looking to come to bring your camper to visit St. Louis, it's reasonably priced. It's not a bad campsite at all. It is pet friendly, kid friendly. There's a playground. There's a dock out over there with some picnic tables on it to hang out and have a picnic if you want, or just, you know, socialize with, if you have a couple campers coming. Yeah, I mean, I would, for what it is and, you know, what they use it for and where you're at, I think it's definitely worth it. Like I said, if you're coming to St. Louis and you want to bring your camper and you want to stay somewhere that's reasonably priced and close to everything, I would recommend Cahokia RV Park. Today we're going to get out and it's supposed to pretty much 50% chance rain. It's supposed to rain on and off all day, but you know, the name of the channel is Happy Anywhere, right? Like Bailey just said, oh well, right? We're going to figure it out. There's a Cardinal ball game today. There's Six Flags 30 minutes away. If we want breaks in the rain there, we're all about just kind of flying by the seat of our pants. And if it's just doing what it's doing now, we can live through that. We're not going to melt, so we'll check out some things that Kyle, and he's pretty excited about the neighborhood he moved into, and so we're gonna check it out and hang out with him again today, and I'm sure it's gonna be a great day. So maybe we'll throw some axes, check out the new Union Station Aquarium. Just, you know, we got ideas.
I might need. Also, I'm a YouTuber. If you want to follow me, my channel's Bailey Horseapple. And if you like the video, subscribe, like, share, do whatever you need to do. Have a good morning. Bye.